Good morning, grade 8s. I hope you guys are doing well and that you guys are staying safe and warm in this cold weather. I must say I am really thinking about you guys a lot these days. Please send me a message. Make sure that you keep in contact with me, even if it's something small like, ma'am, I'm not up to date yet. Please, just to let you know, I really do appreciate it. So thank you for everyone who actually sent me messages. And let's get started. So make sure that you guys are ready for the Duna activity. Die Duna activiteit lyk 'n bietjie anders vandag. The Duna activity looks a little bit different today. So number 1, put your name, surname and grade in the comments or on the WhatsApp group. Sit jou naam van en graad in die kommentaar of op die WhatsApp groep. So asseblief, dit is vir my om net rekord te neem wie is in die klas, wie is betrokke en dit gee vir my ook net om te merk, jy weet wie is hiersom en wie is nie. Number 2, mark the exercise of yesterday. The photos of the answers is included in this post, so just make sure that you go through them and you mark those answers. And then, after you've marked your answers of yesterday, I want you guys to give yourself a mark out of 25 and share that with me. So that's going to be your do now. You're going to get a mark out of 25 and you're going to share that with me on Facebook. Either in the comments or you can message me personally. I do not mind. Asseblief, wanneer jy klaar die oefening gemerk het, gee vir jouself 'n punt uit 25 en deel dit met my. So dan kan jy dit vir my of by die comments sit of jy kan dit vir my persoonlik 'n boodskap stuur. Goed, dan gaan ons aan. Let's carry on. So I decided to not, so today's our last day for angles on a straight line, geometry, all of that. So I must make sure that you guys understand it completely. Okay? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you an example and you guys are going to kind of work with me on the other side as well, there behind your screen. So I want you guys to really focus on this because I've seen a lot of mistakes, especially now with the activity that you guys have done. So I called it angles with variables as values. Hoeke met veranderlikes as waardes. So this is the example. Number 1, write ABR in terms of X and give a reason for your answer. Skryf ABR in terme van X neer en gee 'n rede vir jou antwoord. So what is the first thing you are going to do? Wat is die heel eerste ding wat jy gaan doen? Okay. I hope a lot of you got this. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to look, where is this angle? Ons gaan kyk, waar is hierdie hoek? So nou gaan ons na ons diagram toe, hier so aan die regterkant. We're going to on the right hand side and we're looking for ABR. So now I'm looking for A. A. Yes, I see A right here. So there's A. And then I'm looking for B. Here's B. And then I'm looking for R. And that ABR doesn't mean it's 3 different angles. It's literally one single angle. Let me show you. Dit wys nie dat dit 3 verskillende hoeke is nie. Dis net een hoek. Want die oomblik as jy hulle gaan konnekteer aan mekaar, gaan jy sien hoe die hoek uitkom. So kyk gou wat ek nou gaan maak. Soos julle kan sien, gaan ek by A begin. I'm going to start from A and I'm going to highlight up until B and then from B up until R. Good. Now you can see an angle has been formed here. Okay, so that is why it's in very specific order. So don't mess with the order. It's in a very specific order for that reason. Okay, so I must now, in terms of X, now my next step is to find X. Where's X? Right over here. Okay, so this is the angle of X. Great. So can you see something is happening now? Something is happening now. As you can see, this looks very familiar. These two angles, why are they special? What do we call them? Wat noem ons hierdie twee hoeke? Mooi, afwisselende hoeke, alternate angles. So very important, guys, to make sure that you highlight those so that it makes it easier for you. What do we know about alternate angles? Wat weet ons van afwisselende hoeke? We know that those two angles are going to be the same. So very important to know that your alternate angles is going to be the same. So I know that ABR is actually going to be equal to X. So I'm giving them an answer in terms of X. That's what it means. It means that you don't need to get a real value, a number value, because they don't give it to you yet. Alright. Baie belangrik, wanneer hulle vra in terme van X, moet jy daar moet 'n X in wees. Jy gaan nie nou ewe skielik 180 grade uit die lug uitgryp nie, of 90 grade of 60 nee. Jy vat wat hulle vir jou gee. Okay, so next up. What did I forget? Wat het ek vergeet? Ek het die rede vergeet. Die rede is afwisselende hoeke en ek het sommer daarby gesit PQ is parallel met RS. Alternate angles and PQ is parallel with RS. Very, very important. So, take a look at what they are asking of me now. Complete of voltooi die volgende. X plus 2x is gelyk aan. X plus 2x is gelyk aan. You have to complete that. X plus 2x equals. Now, how am I going to be able to complete it if I don't have anything? But I do know a lot of things. I know that a straight line like this one, MN, is equal to 180 degrees. And I know that if that is X, that this one is also going to be X inside here. Okay, because they are equal. All right. And I hope most of you see where I'm heading now. So now you can say, okay, well, X and 2X is on one straight line, so they are supplementary, or you can just say they are angles on a straight line, and both of them together will give me 180 degrees. So let's go back to the question. Complete. X plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now we must calculate the value of x. Okay, we must calculate the value of x, so take a look at what I'm doing. First up, I know x plus 2x is equal to 180. Ek weet, x plus 2x is gelyk aan 180 grade. Ek weet ook my rede is, dis hoek op 'n reguit lyn of supplementêre hoeke. It's angles on a straight line or supplementary angles. After that, I can add the x and the 2x together. I got 3x. What do I need to do to get rid of that 3? I need to divide 180 by 3. And then I got my answer. So without them even giving you anything, you can actually come to an answer. And this is why algebra is so very important. So make sure you understand it. Make sure you pause now. Pause now. Asseblief maak seker julle verstaan hierdie werk baie goed. Okay, I'm going to end off with this. Chapter revision, lockdown test, hoofstuk hersiening, lockdown toets. You are going to write a test over the weekend, starting today. I'm not going to give you an extra activity. It's just going to be a test. Here's your instructions. So the test is attached and will be sent over WhatsApp group as well. Die toets is aangeheg en sal ook oor WhatsApp groep gestuur word. Complete it in the back of your book. Voltooi dit in die agterkant van jou boek. Write down questions and answers, skryf vrae en antwoorde neer, show all calculations and remember your reasons, wys alle berekeninge en onthou jou redes. Very, very important, baie belangrik julle, die inhandigingsdatum is die 31ste Mei. The due date is the 31st of May. Now, that date falls on a Sunday. You have today, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You have 3 whole days if you don't want to work on the Sunday. If you have any worries, anything you want to ask me, please feel free to do so. But please send me your work, a clear photo of your work via WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. If your phone doesn't have a photo or a camera, you can type it out for me, just the answers and your reasons. Jy kan vir my 'n duidelike foto van jou werk stuur via WhatsApp of Facebook Messenger. Okay guys, good luck. Make sure you understand the work, make sure you're up to date. Okay, I miss you and please stay in touch with me. I love your sense of humor and yeah, I just love getting to know all of you. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day and good luck and enjoy the weekend rest. Okay. Bye guys.